My dear brothers and sisters, how do you measure success? When do you say that you are successful? Some people believe that they are successful if, for example, they got the job they wanted. Some find success in marrying the woman they love. Others find success by thinking or having the bank account, the big houses, education, degrees. Yung iba naman, ang tagumpay ay nakikita sa pagkakaroon ng bagong poon. Di ba, Romaine? No? Additional collection. Our gospel today is about success. The disciples returned very excitedly and reported to Jesus what they have done. Lord, even the demons are subject to us because of your name. Tuwang-tuwa sila sapagkat maganda ang resulta ng kanilang misyon. Pero merong binanggit ang Panginoon. Sabi niya, but rejoice not because the spirits are subject to you, but because your names are written in heaven. By these simple words, the Lord is inviting the disciples to focus not only on these kind of successes, but rather to focus on being able to enter heaven by grace of God. Para sa Panginoon, ang mas mahalaga ay ang makapasok ka sa langit. Ang mas mahalaga ay marating mo ang langit. That is why even if you have the best job in the world, the best paying job in the world, but that best paying job in the world removes you or brings you away from the Lord and from heaven, then that is not success. Even if you have much money in the bank and you live in big houses, if those material blessings take you away from the Lord and from the possibility of going to heaven, those material blessings are nothing. Even if you have so many titles in your name, so much degrees in your pocket, you are graduate of this and graduate of that, but those degrees make you forget the more important thing, which is the salvation of your soul. Those titles, degrees, would not mean anything. And in my experience also, even if one's priesthood does not make you holy, your priesthood would not be of any help. Kaya mga ginigili kong kapatid, sa umagang ito, ipinapaalaala sa atin ng Panginoon na huwag lamang nating tignan ang tagumpay sa buhay sa pamamagitan ng mga material na bagay na napapasa atin. Yes, mahalaga sila. Hindi ko sinasabing baliwalain natin sila. Pero ang lahat ng mga material na pagpapala ay dapat lamang na makatulong sa atin upang makarating sa langit. The Lord was very clear. Do not rejoice because the spirits are subject to you, but rejoice because your names are written in heaven. Heaven is the most important of all. Amen.